Hello, in this tutorial video, I will be demonstrating how to update students' AR goals after they have taken the AR Star Reading Test. First of all, you have to log on to Renaissance Learning, or AR. After that, you're going to go ahead and click on Accelerated Reader, and then you click on Record Books and Goals. You click on the class on your teacher's name, and then click on Reading Practice Goals. Next to Marking Period, click on Select Marking Periods. I'm going to go ahead and click on the 6 weeks. And then make sure it's on here 6 weeks and it is saved. Here we're going to have it at 85% for all students. So I'll go ahead and update all that. And then for daily reading time, we're going to go ahead and choose 30 minutes. And then you click on Update All Students. This will automatically calculate and fill in the student's goals for the set marking period. And then you click on Save. If a student has taken multiple tests during the testing window, there will be an arrow for you to choose the testing date and score under the GE column. Choose a score that you feel reflects the student's ability. Be sure to click on Save. Click on OK if it alerts you that student goals may change. And that is how we can update students' AR goals. Thank you for watching.